In a world filled with chaos and uncertainty, where darkness lingers and hope seems distant, there is a beacon of light, a celebration of unity and resilience. The Ubumuntu Arts Festival is back for its 9th edition, and it is bigger and bolder than ever before. Join us from the 14th to the 16th of July at the Kigali Genocide Memorial Amphitheatre from 6 p.m. CAT. We will also have a collaborative play between Canada and Rwanda called The Book of Life, showcasing at L'Espace on the same dates from 7 p.m. CAT. Immerse yourself in the power of art as performers from around the world grace our stage. From captivating music that will steer your soul, breathtaking dance routines that will leave you spellbound, to thought-provoking theater performances that will challenge your perceptions. Feel the energy, the passion, and the unity that only the Ubumuntu Arts Festival can bring. This year's theme is Believe, Faith over Fear, urging us to embrace our faith in humanity and overcome our fears. Let the Ubumuntu Arts Festival be the catalyst that empowers you to believe in a brighter future. So mark your calendars from the 14th to the 16th of July and be a part of the 9th edition of the Ubumuntu Arts Festival. Believe in the power of art. Join us and experience the magic. Ubumuntu Arts Festival. We are human together.